How to fix Messenger airplane mode on error problem. You might be facing this kind of problem where if you open your Messenger, it shows airplane mode on. To fix this issue, follow these steps. Firstly, roll down your notification bar. If you have your airplane mode on, then turn it off. But if it's already off and it's showing on, then try turning on and off the airplane mode for some times. Now go back to your Messenger app. Check if the problem has been fixed or not. This should fix your problem, but additionally, tap and hold on the Messenger app and click on the eye icon to go to App Info. Inside App Info, go to Storage and click on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Now go back to your home page and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Here, go to the search bar on the top and search for Messenger. After searching for it, look for any kind of updates that may be available for this app. If there are updates available for the Messenger app, then make sure to update it. Once you have followed all these steps, then make sure to give your device a quick restart. That's all for today. Thank you.